How to swap tokens on Beethoven X. First off, make sure your wallet is connected to the website. You can find the connect area in the top right hand corner. I'm going to be connecting to MetaMask. On your MetaMask, make sure you're set to the Phantom Opera blockchain. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch the first tutorial in our series where we show you how. Once that's done, head over to the swap section, which you'll find on the top bar. The UI should look at least somewhat familiar if you've used the DEX before. You have the token you want to trade from at the top and the token you want to trade to at the bottom. Just quickly exploring the other things you have on here. On the left side, My Wallet, it shows your wallet balance and the tokens you currently have inside. You can see my FTM balance and also that the only token I have aside from that is USDT. Below that, on the left side, you'll see trending pairs. These are different trading pairs that are popular right now on Beethoven X. And on the right side, you have a price chart for the current pair that you're set to. So I'm set to FTM wrapped Ether, and that's the chart for FTM wrapped Ether. I'm going to go ahead and actually change the trading pair because I want to show you how to trade FTM for Beats, the native token of Beethoven X. So I'm scrolling down, and if I want to find it easily, I could just type it into the top bar. I'm going to click on Max to trade all my FTM for Beats. And a warning comes up saying I can't do that because if I do, I'll have no FTM left to pay the gas fees. So on Beethoven X, it makes sure that you always have at least 0.5 FTM in your wallet. I'm going to make it 19 just to keep an even number. That will give me 40.7 beats. If you click on this area that says order routing, it will show you exactly how the trade is going to happen. So it's going to go all 100% through one pool. But if you're doing some different pairs, sometimes you get a really complex routing and you'll get to see exactly how it happens in there, which is kind of a cool feature. The last thing I want to show you also is if you scroll up to the top and click on the gear, this is where you can change the slippage tolerance. By default, it's set to 1%, but you might have to change it if you're either trading an obscure pair or trading a large quantity of tokens. It's not really relevant for this tutorial because I'm trading a pretty deep pool and also a very small amount. Okay, let's do the actual trade. When you're ready, click on Preview Trade. We'll show you a preview. Click on Confirm Trade. All the typical MetaMask things will pop up and you just want to click on Confirm. Give it some time for the transaction to execute, and when it's done, you'll get this screen saying your trade has settled. If you click on the bottom left, you'll see the receipt area that will take you to FTM scan that will show you everything that happened under the hood on the blockchain when you did that swap. And when you're done, just click close. All right, well, you see now I have my wallet, Beats, along with my USDT. It was added up there. You'll also notice now this warning that says not enough funds. The reason is because the old numbers are still typed in. It says 19 FTM and I don't have 19 FTM anymore because I traded it for Beats. I'll flip things around and show you actually how to now trade Beats back for FTM. So I switch to Beats, I'm going to click on Max, and I can do Max. I don't need to keep any minimum of Beats in my wallet. I just have to keep the minimum of FTM to pay for my gas fees. And to do this, I just do exactly the same as I did before. So when you're ready to do the trade, click on Preview Trade. The preview will pop up. Just one thing is that typically if you haven't traded a token before, this is relevant for every token aside from FTM. You'll have to do an extra transaction to approve the use of that token. Since I've used it before though, you see that I already approved Beats. It has the green check mark. But if you haven't, it'll be done using the same green button that I just clicked to do the trade. I'm trading now. The MetaMask stuff has popped up just like before. I click on Confirm once everything is done. Then I'll just wait for a moment, and when it's all over, the screen will pop up saying your trade was successful. So we've come full circle. We've traded FTM for Beats and back again. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any more questions, come into the Beethoven X Discord and the team will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.